is Kombisystem Plus. It's a little bit deeper, 83mm deep, and it's equipped with 3 gaskets. Core could be also in the gray color, green, like an olive color, could be in caramel, dark brown, depending on the veneer. Here is also anti-burglary gasket, domed gasket from UPVC, which is a structure of the profile. It blocks the entry to the locking points. First, the thief has to crash this gasket, but also it's making the window warmer and more tight. More locking points means that the window is more tight, has better wind resistance. You can use our windows, our UPVC windows, even in 20-story buildings. Due to the locking points and due to very good static parameters, due to the fixed steel reinforcement, as I said before, but also due to our standard of gluing the glass to the sash. We are gluing the sash for United States to glazing for a couple of reasons. Instead of a gasket, we have a tape. Water doesn't go through the gasket from the outside on the sash. What's the most important is because of the tape, sash becomes a monolith with a glass. It's not like the heavy glass is pushing on the bottom of the sash and you don't have to adjust it for a couple years. You don't have it here because when it becomes a monolith, it holds the same on the left, on the right, on the top, on the bottom, so the sash doesn't move. You don't have to adjust the window, so you avoid problems, you save time and money. Also, thermal performance and noise reduction is a little bit better because of it. And also what's important is the static parameters as well. Our maximum height of the PVC is extended by 20 centimeters, which is about 7 inches. So it's almost like aluminum. What's great also in Kombisystem is that it is available with an acrylic glass on top of it from the exterior side, which is pretty unique. Haven't seen something like that in the United States before. Basically, during the extrusion process of the PVC profile, you have to heat the PVC granulate, it becomes a liquid, goes to the template, has the shape of the profile, and then we heat the acrylic granulate, becomes a liquid as well, goes on the top of the profile, the exterior side. Later it's all freeze with a cold water. So it becomes a monolith. And why is that? Why not all acrylic? All acrylic would be too expensive, doesn't make that sense. But on the top of the profile has many advantages. Also, it's not from inside only, inside and outside, because due to the production process it's not physically possible. Why acrylic? Acrylic looks great, it has a structure, it's also very smooth. It looks, in my opinion, even better than aluminum surface when you compare matte to matte, right? That's the first thing. Second thing, it doesn't absorb heat, so you don't have a bonding effects in other black vinyl window you can have during the summer. So you don't have any bonding effect because it doesn't absorb heat. It absorbs heat much less than aluminum or wood or PVC. It's basically best material in case of it in the windows and doors industry. With acrylic, of course, we can do the lift and slide doors and entry doors, balcony doors, patio doors, those fixed windows. You have a whole package with acrylic. Also from interior, you can use veneer or BERTRAND as one of a few European manufacturers is able to paint PVC with a special varnish for PVC. So you could have everything also painted from inside, and core and even the gasket as well. Acrylic is that it's a very hard surface, so it's very hard to scratch it. But even if you scratch it, you just simply need sandpaper, a little bit of water, maximally 10 seconds, and you avoid scratches. You can repair this surface practically always. What's the most important about the acrylic, it doesn't fade for about 40 years. It's different than with the laminate, it's different than aluminum, because aluminum will start to fade a little bit, losing brush color after 20 years. And here, for the whole life cycle of the window, because I'm sure in 40 years the windows are replaced, you have the same color. And also it's very easy in maintenance. It's the easiest material in cleaning. Dirt doesn't go into it.